Forget everything you thought you knew about pushing the limits. This is the Polaris RZR Pro XP, and today, we're unleashing the beast. Under the hood, that 925 cubic centimeters ProStar turbo engine is screaming a beautiful song, a full 181 horsepower ready to put the competition on notice. You feel that power instantly, a pure, unadulterated turbo surge that launches you out of corners and devours the straightaways. This isn't just about speed though, it's about having usable, responsive power exactly when you need it, whether you're climbing a slick rock face or bombing through a whoop section. But power is nothing without control. That's where the RZR Pro XP's chassis earns its stripes. It's rock solid, built for abuse, and it all rides on an incredible suspension system. You've got 20 inches of usable travel up front and a staggering 22 inches in the rear. We're talking massive wheel travel that keeps those 30-inch Maxxis Carnivore tires glued to the ground, no matter how nasty the terrain gets. The 96-inch wheelbase gives you incredible stability when you're flying, yet it still pivots like a much smaller machine thanks to that quick-turn steering. Inside the cockpit, it's all about the driver. With that lower seating position, you feel absolutely locked into the machine. It's confidence-inspiring, and when you're running the ultimate trim, the Ride Command system keeps you dialed in with GPS and group ride tech, while the Dynamics 2.0 active suspension is constantly making adjustments on the fly. It's not just a comfy ride, it's a competitive advantage, giving you that instant, ultimate control. The Polaris RZR Pro XP isn't just a side-by-side, it's a statement. It's engineered for drivers who demand the absolute best in turbo performance, strength, and suspension travel. It eats miles and spits out adrenaline. If you want to tackle epic trails and push your off-roading to the next level, this machine delivers. What's the toughest trail you'd throw the Pro XP at? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more pure turbo action.